Hello everyone, and welcome to the Tiny Wanderland. My name is Jay Harris. I am the creator of the Tiny Wanderland and one of the creators of the Tiny Wanderer, which I am in currently right now. The Tiny Wanderer is a tiny home that was built in 2020 during the pandemic of COVID-19. The Tiny Wanderer has gone on a few journeys since then, and we've learned quite a lot along the way. This introduction video is meant to see if you would be interested in checking out the content on the channel. But before you jump in to all the craziness that is Tiny Wanderland, first, there are two parts to the Tiny Wanderland channel. The first is the Tiny Wanderland Chronicles. If you stumble on an episode that says the Tiny Wanderland Chronicles and has an intro like what you see in front of you right now, that is going to be about the building of the Tiny Wanderer, the backstory of how the Tiny Wanderer became a reality, what caused us to build it, how we built it, where we built it, who helped us build it, and the trials and tribulations we went through during the build process. The second part of the channel, which would have an intro like what you're seeing right now, is called the Tiny Wanderland. The Tiny Wanderland episodes are being filmed as we speak, and they're about day-to-day life, such as going to a store to buy a part for a roof leak, or installing something on the Tiny Wanderer, or buying a new vehicle, or going kayaking on a river, or camping under an amazing Milky Way sky. Now that you know what the Tiny Wanderland is about and the two parts of this channel, I invite you to subscribe, I invite you to like the videos, and I invite you to just come along for the adventure. There are a million YouTube channels out there where people literally sit in their Sprinter vans making up things along the way for you to watch. The Tiny Wanderland is none of that. We don't make up content. We don't sit down and try to figure out what's gonna get viewers. We're not spending the whole day trying to come up with clickbait. We're literally just living the adventure of the open road. That is the Tiny Wanderland. You know about Tiny Wanderland Chronicles. You know about the Tiny Wanderland episodes. It's up to you to decide if you want to come along for the ride. If you do, I'll see you on the adventures.